welcome to all. Question number 18. This is a pin jointed frame. Question I won't tell. You know, you everyday same question. Find axial forces in all the members for the given pin jointed frame. Now, right now what I am doing is, I am concentrating on questions where trigonometric calculations are important. Otherwise, this is an easy question now. Now you know the solution. So see now, I will tell one by one now. Calculation of support reactions. A, hinged support. Vertical reaction, horizontal reaction. I will assume directions here. B, roller. Perpendicular plane RB equal to VB. This is all known for you. Now, before finding support reactions, we need, see, now, this I already told last time. What all I am telling, see, what all I am telling here, people who are serious should write everything. See now, I will use red color now. Before finding support reactions, we need A to F, F to G, G to H, and H, G to H, then AF, FG, GH, okay. HGB is not required because once you get these three, automatically you get this one. Then, okay, then this height, which one, F to D, then GE and HC, all these are required. See, why required? See there. Suppose when you take moment either about A or about B, see here, this 12 into this distance, yes, you require AF. 15 into this distance, that is this one plus this one, so this is required. 22 into this distance, once again these three. VB into this distance, then 20 into same, once again same distance. 30 into same, 25 into same, but 6 into this height, 8 into this height, 18 into this height. So I am giving forces everywhere. The reason is, suppose I skip one force here, someone will tell this height is not required. No. When you learn everything, okay, later one round will come. After some time, you can see marathon round will come. Non-stop questions where problem, answer, exercises. There you show talent. There I will not create any complication. That will be, those questions will be somewhat examination oriented questions. Okay, now note, class once again. Again remember, write everything I write here. Else means if you don't write, don't follow properly, what happens? You stand to lose. First write, how is the construction? Someone will tell, see, you make a note here. Somebody will tell most probably, sir, AF equal to FG equal to GH equal to HB equal to 10 divided by 4. No, it is not told. But of course, remember, AD equal to DE equal to EC is valid. I will tell you why. So you don't take blindly AF equal to FG equal to GH equal to HB, each of them equal to 10 divided by 4. No, it is not told in the question that way. They cannot tell that way also. Important. Okay, now, first see how is the construction. Mark the point A. Draw the line AB. Okay, here. This is 10 meter. Even if 10 meter is not given, you take it as L. Then all the value will come in terms of L. L will cancel. Okay, take 10 meter. So A created, A and B marked. Now, from A, draw an inclined line at 30 degrees. See, draw this. See what I am doing now. 30 degree inclined line. From B, see, draw an inclined line at 60 degrees. This is the intersection. Okay, stop. We get the point C. So you should write what all I am explaining, you should write. Otherwise, will not be clear. See, to understand correctly, you should write here. First, draw AB equal 10 meter. 30 degree angle, draw this line. 60 degree angle, draw this line. Intersection point you got, C. Okay. Therefore, outer triangle is clear. Then what they have done is, from C, they dropped a perpendicular. See, very easily make out vertical line here, remember. Okay, done. Then, what about these points? See, no data given in the question. So it is understood that, see, AD equal to DE equal to EC. Of course, if AD equal to DE equal to EC, automatically AF will be equal to FG equal to GH, but not equal to HB. Be careful. These two are not equal. These three are equal. Later you will get these also equal, but this is not equal to them. So you mark midpoint of this, sorry, not midpoint. Divide this line into three parts. See what all I am telling. Three equal parts. One, somewhere here, okay. 1 point here, little more. Okay, reasonably okay, done. Exact three part not possible. See, divide into three parts and mark the point as D, E, D, E. Okay, so make a note here. Divide AC into three equal parts so that you write here AD equal to DE equal to EC. You write this way, that way equal. Very important. Then, once you get that one, from there, draw perpendicular. See, perpendicular. You get the points FG. FG, this is H, they told. Okay, then join these 2 points, one member, join these 2 points. This is the construction. Okay, now I will tell what all you require. See, I will put red color, what all you require. You require this length, red color. You require this length, see, cut. You require this length. Once you get that one, you require this length also. Okay, done. If you take a moment about that point, then you require this height, red color. You require this height. Also, you require this height. So, red color mark dimensions are required. If you know those dimensions, you can take moment about A and find reaction. And make a note. If all of them are known, later, see, you need this angle. You need this angle. You can find those angles also. See, this is 30 degrees. So, if this is 30, you will know later, this is 30, but this is not 30. Be careful. That is not 30. It need not be 30. So, therefore, once you get the red colored values, you can find reactions and also later you can find the angle. Once you do that one, the question will be presented back to you. I told presentation. What I will do? I will show you the calculation of reactions correctly. All trigonometry I will show you. I will enter the values and find the reactions. Somewhere here, I will put a star sketch here with all the reactions and angle. Then, like yesterday's class, only the joints where two inclined unknowns are there. I may explain. It comes where? One here. Then, no, not there also. No, here. Then here one. Then I'll go to B. Then I'll come here. No problem. I'll come here. No problem. After that one I'll come here. No problem. Yes, only once it will come. That also I need not explain because you know simultaneous equation. Yes, I need not explain. It becomes same as yesterday's question. So, my present purpose is to see that there is no trigonometric problem for you. So, okay, this much you make ready. Now, start. First of all, see correctly what I am doing now. This 10 meter, I want some space here. I'll shift it here. 10 meter, okay. Correctly see what I am doing. 10 meter. We want, see, this length, this length, this length, this length, this length. Suppose you got A to H distance, then automatically you get this distance, this and this. Because why? When D and E are, see, when this length when this length and this length and this length are equal, when you project here, mathematics, see, if you project it here, if these AD, DE and EC are equal, automatically AF, FG and GH are equal. Therefore, in case you get this length, total length here, this length, you can divide by 3 and get the 3 lengths here. So, see what to do. Now, correct correctly observe. This is 30 degrees, that is 60 degrees. Observe correctly. See, correctly observe here. See, 30 degrees, I put here now. See, first triangle, main triangle, A, C, B. I'll put here. See, 30-degree angle here, here, 60-degree angle. But it's out of scale. Okay, I'll go for 60 degrees. Okay, little small I am writing. Space is not there. Okay, this is, see, this is 30 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This is A, this is B, this is C. Then write, oh, it is a right angle triangle. 60 plus 30 is 90. Therefore, right here, angle C is 90 degrees. Oh, bonus, good. Bonus we got. Bonus. But remember, today's class 90. When I go to question number 19, I am doing same question once again. But there, I will give 30 degrees here, maybe not 60 degrees there. I will give 50 degree there. If I give 50 degree there, 30 plus 50 is how much? 80. So this will be more than 90. Oh, next time I will tell, last time we enjoyed, it was a right angle triangle. Now it is not right angle triangle. Don't worry, I will tell what to do at that time. So what way you have done the calculation today to get the length here, that you cannot do next time. Okay, now, therefore, see this full triangle use. Don't see anything now. Therefore, very happily, right here. Therefore, happily, see this base is 10 meter. That's all. Happily, what you can tell? You see, this is 30 degrees. You get this length. That length is what? You connect 30 degrees. See, 30 degrees. Remember, this 10 meter is the hypotenuse. I should not tell. This is the hypotenuse. Okay, start. So, therefore, cos 30 equal to AC divided by 10. Divided by 10. Okay, you write, if you want, do one thing. You write cos 30, okay, 1 minute now. Okay, you write cos 30 equal to AC divided by AB, then write AB equal 10 meter. You write that way. If you have to learn everything, write that way. I can write this way. Cos 30 equal to AC divided by AB. AB is 10. Therefore, you get the length of AC. AC will come in meter. Okay, get the answer, AC. Where is my calculator? Here. AC equal to 10 into cos 30. 8.6603 meter. I will go to 4 decimal. 8.6603 meter. This much accuracy only for, well, good accuracy. Correct answer? 10 into cos 30. Okay. 10 into cos 30. 8.6603025 meter, that is 03 meter AC. Okay, now do one thing. Once you get AC also, see, you don't require, you require this distance also. And, right here, and same triangle, what? See, you got what? This AC is over. Now, you require this length, that you will get later. Okay, leave it now. Therefore, right here, once you get AC here, therefore, your AD, not AD, okay, AD you require, no, not required, AC. Okay. AC is 8.660 meter. So, if you want this AD and DE, EC, you can calculate, but that inclined length is not required. We require what? This distances. Okay. Next, right. Now, see, now you got what? Now you got the value of AC. Now consider a triangle. See, next class, this step is not possible. Why? I am giving 30 degree here and 50. Don't tell me I may give any angle, maybe 40 degree here and 45 degree there, something like that. But I will see that sum of these two is not 90. Because if it is 90, bonus for you. Next class, the bonus will not be there. So consider triangle. See, triangle. Now do one thing. You know the value of AC. Now consider triangle ACH. Triangle ACH. If you want, write here. Write the triangle. No harm in writing. See, ACH. A here, C here, H here. This triangle. Now, this is 90 degrees. Remember, this is 30 degrees. Little bigger highlight. See, space problem is there. You should see in the laptop actually. Don't see the mobile. Now, this length is just now calculated. How much? 8.6603 meter. Using that one, you can find AC. Once again, write cos 30. But this time, this is now, see, this is the hypotenuse now. For somebody studying engineering, I should not tell this is hypotenuse. If that much is not known, better not study anything. Now your same cos 30 equal to AC, see, AC divided by, right, AH, that is 8.6603 meter. You write AC by AH, substitute AH equal to 8.6603, you get AC equal to, see, therefore your AC will come 8.6603, see, into cos 30, 7.5 meter. 7.5 meter. Something happens here, see now. 7.5 meter. Okay. If it is 7.5 meter, see now, AC, not AC. Sorry, not AC. This is not C. This is H. See, what is this one? See, this is C. Okay. This is C, this is H. This is ABCD problem. See, A, C, H. Okay. So, cos 30 equal to what? AH divided by AC. AH is how much? AC is how much? 8.6603. So, you get the value of AH. AH equal to 7.5 meter. Okay. Once you get AH equal to 7.5 meter, right here, next statement you have right here. See, right here, AD equal to DE equal to EC. AD equal to DE equal to EC. Because these three are correctly equal distances along AC. This is projection here, see. So when you project here, it is a basic rule, mathematical rule. If a line is divided into three parts, if you project the ends on another line here, then those three are also same. Therefore, if I project, see, this distance equal to this distance equal, or see here now, this side by this side, see, this side by this side equal to what? This side by this side equal to this side by this side, full side. These are equal, means these are equal. EC. Therefore, right here, AF equal to FG equal to GH. GH. Equal to what? Each of them equal to whatever is your AH divided by 3. Your AH you got 7.5 meter divided by 3 equal to 2.5 meter. So this is 2.5, this is 2.5, this is 2.5 meter. When these three are 2.5, therefore HG equal to, see, HB. Therefore, your HB equal to, see, HB equal to total is 10 meter, 10 minus whatever is AH. AH is 7.5 meter. That also equal to 2.5 meter. Therefore, I told in the beginning, see, you cannot take 10 divided by 4. You should take this one divided by 3. That need not be equal. It came equal. There is a one minute. Yes, there's a reason for it. There's a reason why it came equal. But do one thing. Why I am not using that property? See, it is not valid if this is 30 degree and suppose say 30 degree and some 50 degree. If I tell directly in the class, you see this equal to this equal to this equal to this, all divided by 4. Someone will do that way for every question then. Therefore, whenever you can have a logic, if you can have a logic for this one, why, see this AF equal to FG equal to GH. Suppose you can have a logic that same equal to HB, then you can do 10 by 4, but it came equal. So don't depend on those things. Sometimes some angles, it will not be equal. So actually, logic will be there. Some logic is there. I have not thought of the logic. I will think now. If I think, I can make out the logic immediately. Okay, maybe I will see the logic and may tell next time. Okay, over. Next 2.5 meter over. Now, see, everything clear. Next you require, I'll write here now. Okay, where I'll write now? Here. See, I'll write here. Next we require, which one? DF. Okay, neatly I'll write. As I told earlier, see, I told which all required. See, next we require which one? DF, comma, FG and CH. For that, what you do is, see, you first find CH. First find CH. For that, use the triangle, same triangle, ACH. Triangle ACH. See here. Already over. See the sketch here, see. Right mark. This triangle. I told cos 30 equal, I had done earlier only. Okay. Cos 30 equal to AH divided by AC. Now you use sin 30 equal to, see, sin 30 equal to CH divided by 8.6603. Or you write sin 30 equal to CH divided by AC, substitute AC 8.6603. Therefore, you get CH equal to, that is, this height will come. 8.6603 into sin 30. 4.33015. 4.3302. Okay, 4 decimal is sufficient. 02 meter. 1 minute now. Let me check the camera once. Oh, yes, okay. That is over. We got the value of CH. Now, how to get other two? This one. You can use, see, you can run more option now. See, this angle known, you know this length. You can use tan 30 equal, see, those who want right here. Now you require, see, now lastly you require, where shall I write? Here. Now you require DF and EG. DF and EG. See now, two options are there for you, two options. Okay. See, you can write what all dictating right here. Consider triangle ADF. Tan 30 equal to this side divided by this side. This side is already known for you. AF, how much? AF is already known, 2.5. You get DF. Then use this triangle. This triangle. Again, tan 30 equal to EG divided by GA. GA equal to 2.5 plus 2.5, 5. You get this height. That way you can find. But or directly use similar triangles. See, triangles. That is here. See here. Which I am not telling. See here. AHC. See here. CH divided by AH. CH divided by AH equal to EG divided by AG. EG divided by AG equal to DF divided by AF. DF divided by AF. If this is not known, don't study anything. See, stand here. Anybody, high school people understand. This side by this side equal to this side by this side equal to this side by this side. Now, CH is already known. How much CH? CH is already known. Where is CH here? Where I calculate CH? somewhere I see it 4.3302 meter. AH equal to A to H is already you got A to H 7.5 meter. See 7.5. Then AG equal to you know AF is 2.5, FG 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5 is 5. This is 2.5 plus 2.5 equal to 5. And AF is already we got 2.5. Therefore, see, you get the value of EG and also DF. EG equal to 4.3302 divided by 7.5 into 5 2.8868 2.8868 meter, and DF equal to again divide by 2. Okay, leave it. 1.4434 meter. How? CH by H 4.3302 by 7.5 into 2.5. 1.4434 meter. Okay, you get this one. Okay, now everything will be clear. See, sometimes what happens is, if you use little trigonometry, if this question is given to me for solving, I will not write anything. I will just take my calculator, this length, over. But if you are writing an examination, see, if it is an interview, you can do that way. But if it is an examination, they will expect calculation. This much details are not required. But I am telling so that I told my teaching is always so that each and everything is clear. Remember, next time 30 degree, 60 degree, no. I will do one thing. I will maintain 30 degree only here. I will make it 50 degree. I will remember. I will make a note here. 50 degree. I will make a note other side. Or I will remember now. So, therefore, some trouble will come for you. See, you do not have the liberty of this right angle triangle next time. Some struggling is there. I will tell you the struggling. Don't worry. So that is for next class question. Okay, now, make a note here now. Now, we got all data for getting the reactions. But later you require angle. See, 30 degree here. This is 60 degree. We require this angle and this angle. You do 30. You take theta 1 and theta 2. You require theta 1 and theta 2. See, theta 1 is not equal to theta 2. Be careful. But theta 1 equal 30 degrees. Okay. Why? If not now, later for method of joint. Do one thing. Those who find difficulty, right, tan theta 1 equal to, see, df divided by fg. df is, you already got df. Where is df? df. 1 point, how much it is? df is not 1.443. It is 2.8868 divided by 2. 1.4434. Oh, 4434 meter. Okay. df is 1.4434. This is 2.5. Therefore, you get the value of theta 1. 1.4434 divided by 2.5 equal to shift tan inverse answer. I should not see the calculator. It is 30 degree only, because reason, see, this side equal to this side. This is common side. So, this angle equal to this angle. So, these two are equal angle. But anyway, we calculated. But remember, if I tell that way, there are people who will tell, oh, sir, theta 2 also same thing. Gone case. See, next, theta 2 you require. Okay, start. Tan theta 2 equal to EG divided by GH. EG equal to, where is EG? EG. Where is EG? Somewhere in the calculation for EG. EG is here. 2.8868 meter. GH equal to, see, GH we already got somewhere here. Each one equal to 2.5. Where is it? I have shown the calculation. Somewhere I wrote it here. Each equal to 2.5. I don't know where I wrote it. Okay, here, see, each equal to 2.5. 2.5. Therefore, you get the value of theta 2. It is not 30 degrees. 2.8868 divided by 2.5. Shift tan inverse answer. It is 49.107 degrees. 49.107 degrees. Remember, this angle is, see, this angle is not equal to what? This angle is not equal to theta 1. That's why I told. So now, correct answer, GE, EG. How much EG you got? 2.8868. Correct? Yes. 7.5. That is 4.3302 into 2 by 3. 2.8868 divided by 2.5. Shift tan inverse answer. 49.107 degrees. Okay. Now make a note here. Everything is clear. My work is over. I can now present the question to you. But still, what I will do is, I will put a sketch here with, see, I will write a sketch here showing the reaction, and reaction I will complete. I will get the reaction. Once I get that, see, when I find reaction, remember, I will tell now only, I will write 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. But remember, don't take for granted. See, this equal to this equal to this, okay. But this equal to this is dangerous. It may not be equal, some questions. See, depending on the angle. So, therefore, see, this AF equal to FG equal to GH is okay. That is now understood. But be careful. Don't blindly take equal to HB. When doubt comes, calculate. But this question, for right angle triangle, it came equal. See, okay, it came equal. Logic will be there. Actually, I can think now only and get the logic. Not interested now. Okay, I will think it later. Okay. I will get the logic. There is no problem. If a logic is there, I will be knowing it. Okay, then, see, later, I will mark this height. See, when you take moment here, 6 into this height will come. See, this height, I will mark DF. Where is DF? DF, 1.4434 meter. This height, I will mark 2.8869. This height, I will mark 4.3302 meter, somewhere outside. I will mark that one. I will not mark any angle. Why? For reaction, angle not required. Once I find the reactions, then I will put a star sketch here. In the star sketch, I will mark 30 degree here. Theta 1 also, I will mark 30 degree here. Here I will mark 49.107 degree. Here I will mark 60 degrees. And then in a golden plate, I will present the question for you. Oh, camera gone. 1 minute. Power gone. Okay, luckily I explained almost everything. No power. Suddenly power off. Okay, luckily no problem. Okay, I'll tell something now because I'm stopping the recording now. Okay, I already told whatever required. I'll restart the recording a little later. The power came after a long time, but I still am awake to complete the question. I was explaining that I told you later this angle and this angle I already told you. So note down. Okay, now start. Fresh sketch. See, I entered here. This height 1.4434. I noted down. This height, see, 2.8868. I noted down. This full height is 4.3302. Everything told, take moment about A. Why A? Already told 1000 times. Clockwise positive, minus VB into 10, see, plus 6 into this height, 20 into this distance. You should write 8 into this height, clockwise, 30 into this distance, 2.5 plus 2.5. You can see there. Then 25 into this distance minus 18 into the full height. Next, 12 into 2.5, 15 into 5, 22 into 7.5 equal to 0. You will get the value of VB plus 61.131 kilonewton. Sigma V0, I need not explain, plus VA plus VB, minus 20, minus 30, minus 25, minus 12, minus 15, minus 22. Substitute for VB, get VA. This time space is not there. Some will tell it is here. No. Sigma at 0, you write. Plus HA, plus 6, plus 8, minus 18 equal to 0. HA will come 4 kilonewton. Okay. Now we are ready for method of joints. So, full board, I will put the sketch now. What full board? Somewhere here, neat sketch I will write and start method of joints. Now, continue. See, this is question number 18. So far, 17 questions are over. 17 questions, each question, number of joints. I think usually not less than 7, 8, 9. Even if you take 17 into 8, 130 joints. Actually more, plus some of the frames, number of joints are more than 8 actually. Say 9 I will take. 17 into 9, 155. Pre-requirement class some 7, 8 times, plus another 10 more, 160. Nearly 160 times I keep every class I was telling sigma V0, sigma 0, which one first you have to take, how to sketch the angle, how to assume direction, everything told. There is a limit for everything. There's a limit for everything. After this much of explanation, if somebody is not able to solve, still he is expecting me to again consider equilibrium of joint AC, reaction 62, C4, you take the force as PAF, take the force as PAD. If he is expecting that way, he or she better discontinue my learning from me. Learn somewhere else where they teach much better. Same thing they will repeat again and again. Okay. Like see, sometime I have seen simply supported beam, central point load, SFD, BMD. See how many classes in YouTube. There they take moment about the point. Symmetry is there. This reaction equal total by 2. That also sometimes confusion. Then they will tell shear force just to right, nothing is there. It is a technical mistake they are doing. Shear force just here, just to left, just to right. Okay. What is just to left here? This all I will tell you later. So therefore, now time has come for you to start. So do one thing. See, calculation of axial forces in all members by method of joint. Star sketch is here. First remember, in the beginning, empty sketch with only reaction entered and angles all I told you. See, there is no place to write here because this colored pen, red is little thick. So, all these red color values are in kilonewton. Now, how to do? Start from joint A. You get these two. See, go to F. You get these two. Go to G and go to D. When you go to D, see, these are the two unknowns. Both are inclined. So, only for joint D I have shown the calculation. Why? Because both are inclined. I won't explain. See, but remember, this D will come after A and H. Okay, once D is over, go to G, go to slash change. See, go to G, don't go here. Go to B. After B, go to C. After C, go to H. Then lastly, H over. One joint you have not gone, E. Check at E. I already applied the check, perfectly tallying. Okay, therefore, now it is for you to utilize that, what all concept I told, how much I explained, to utilize and gain knowledge. Okay, that's all. Next class, remember, I will tell you 30 degree here, not 60, I will take 50 degree, so that this is not a right angle triangle. Then some trigonometric problem is there. I will tell you next class. So, but next class also same thing. Once I got the reaction, same way I will write. I won't explain joint by joint. Next time, this joint also I won't explain. See, this joint also I won't explain next time. Today I thought, okay, at least explain one joint. So you suddenly see you can't make out. You start from, you finish A, finish F, then only come to D. Okay. We'll meet next time. Thank you.